What's up guys, welcome to my channel. Samsung will introduce the Galaxy A07 smartphone. It having more advanced features and specifications, making them a perfect choice for today's generation. The smartphone will be packed with a powerful MediaTek Helio chipset and a well-known 2.4 GHz octa-core CPU. Additionally, there will be 4 and 6 GB of RAM. Take a look display. Smartphone will arrive with a PLS LCD capacitive touchscreen display with 6.7 inches screen size that allows you to enjoy the high resolution of 720 by 1600 pixels and with a 90 Hz refresh rate and 128 GB of internal memory. There will be dual camera on the back, where the main sensor will be 50 megapixel and the second one will be 2 megapixel. While on the front of the phone, you will have 8 megapixel camera. There will be side mounted fingerprint reader. The phone will come with an extra large 5000 mAh battery that will run all day in just one charge. That will support fast charging. Phone will run on Android 15 operating system. That's all for now. Guys, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks.